Hello, friends and followers. Here's the R348 receiver I've been working on. So I couldn't tune this upper setting or upper slug on the T1 IF transformer. This IF transformer is pretty much driving the plate of the pentagrid converter here. So anyway, you can fix these pretty easy. Just take off these nuts and the can lifts off, which is really nice. And then you can access the capacitors inside. So I'm hoping the top capacitor was faulty. I don't think it was, but anyway, I don't know what else to do. So I took out this domino, I guess these are mica, and I put in a 250 mica that I bought on eBay. So we will see if this works. I did look at these on the fluke meter, and they had a 1 nanofarad on both of them, so the capacitor probably worked, but I guess we'll see. Give it a try. I'm not going to replace the bottom one because the bottom coil works, so let's give it a shot. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Oh yeah, here's a little T1 here. Just put the thing back on like that. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.